Lake flag reports into Phil, and this was a lake flag report of a bar-tailed godwit at Tobel. One of our members, Gary Knight, was staying there, and he took a photograph of this. And this is Phil's response. Right? The local birders call Mr. Bling. The combination of bands, Mr. Bling's tarsi, flagged at Yalujiang Nature Reserve in China, fitted with a green flag over it, blah blah blah. A blue band over blah 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 blah. And this individual has been set many times. So that lake flag reporting does really help to, as Roger was explaining, to explain some of the bird movements, where it's been, where it came from, and how long ago it was banned and so forth. So that's really useful information.